Hello everybody, this is a little short about my, just collecting of like hammers and stuff like that. Alright, this mortar has been fired. There's no high explosive in it. And yeah, the pin has been fired as well. Yeah. Oh, it's still fucking heavy. Like, if you can you? But yeah. I've got a, this is a 37mm. I think it might be from the US. Oh. 40 mil. It's fucking, pardon my language, it's massive. Pun intended. Yeah, I just gonna read any of that. A flak 38, I think it is, the flak 38s. I have yet to know where this is from. I need to do some research on finding where this is actually from. But the shell does come out. This doesn't have any this is just a thick block of like, just a thick block. Yeah, got a couple of these from the military show. And yeah, all of these have been fired, as you can see. Especially these two, they've been fired. There's no pin back in that. They got a rattle thing in it. And yeah, little collection.